Here I have my free nutritionist and my free fitness coach that provide me with a full workout plan. In the previous video, we covered the basics on how to get started using ChatGPT. If you didn't watch it, and especially if you are new to ChatGPT, you might find it very useful to get you on board. As a continuation of our series on mastering ChatGPT, let's see in this video the 5 areas where ChatGPT will literally change your life. Small disclaimer, in this video, I'm not going to cover in depth each of these areas, but rather give you one concrete example per topic and then let you the freedom of exploring them by yourself. Let's get started. Number 1, marketing. In fact, ChatGPT can be a very good tool to take your marketing to the next level. And here's a small example. Let's say I run an online business in the food supplementation niche. And I will ask ChatGPT to help me design a marketing strategy, or to get started, a business model Canva. So here's, for example, our business model Canva. So I asked ChatGPT, design me a business model Canva in a table form for my food supplement online store, and ask me any question in order to provide you with the missing information. So ChatGPT is going to give me some table frames that I will have to fill, including some informations, and at the end he's asking me some specific questions. But we can keep going here answering his questions. He's going to refine also the tables. By the end of this process, you are going to have a business model Canva filled with all the information you need, and you're ready to go with this. Second, content creation. Content creators are going to love using ChatGPT and similar tools in the next decade. And here, ChatGPT has a ton of applications, such as brainstorming, idea generation, content scheduling, and script writing. So let's have a look at a specific example. So for instance, I want to promote my food and supplementation online store, and I want to write a blog article where I will optimize my SEO and stuff just to get a bit of marketing going around and bring some traffic to my website. Well, in this case, for instance, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write me blog article explaining why vitamin D3 supplementation is important in winter. Once I have my blog article here, I can ask ChatGPT to make me a text SEO optimization in order to rank in the Google search. 3, and this is one of my favorite, and it's actually to use ChatGPT as your fitness coach and nutritionist. First, let's try to design a workout plan. So here I ask ChatGPT simply that I want you to act as a professional fitness coach and help me reach my fitness goals. I'm a 20 years old man, 190 centimeters for 90 kilo. My goal is to lose fat and gain muscle. I want to train 5 times a week for a maximum 1 hour per day. Design me in a table format a workout plan with sets and repetitions. So here is what ChatGPT have provided me. Then what I did is that I asked him to provide me a meal plan suitable for the same objective, only for the next 3 days, with breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and each time to give me the amount of protein and calorie intakes per meal. Here I have my free nutritionist and my free fitness coach that provide me with a full workout plan and a weekly meal preparation, guys. If you're a beginner or you're just struggling to create your own workout, you just understood that this is a very good starting point. 4, life organization. Same here. ChatGPT can have a variety of applications in life organization or productivity in general. But let's take one of the most annoying tasks that we all have to perform at least once a week. And this is designing our shopping list before going to do the weekly purchase. So very easy, guys. I just asked him to create me a shopping list for this same meals that he advised me to have. And I asked him to organize them by categories. So you can see that he put proteins, grains, fruit and vegetable, nuts, dairy, pantry item, and voila, you have your shopping list, guys. You're ready to go and to shop. You didn't have to spend 3 hours thinking, and what are the ingredients? No, you just have everything in one bundle coming straight from your nutritionist. Thank you, ChatGPT. 5. Last but not least, ChatGPT can be an amazing teacher. In fact, he can break down for you any topic and even make you a great learning plan, step by step, how you can reach the goal or the topic you want to learn. Let's say we want to learn coding and we have no idea about how all this works. So here, guys, I just asked him to help me to learn how I can start coding with Python within the next 30 days, knowing that I have no prior experience with coding. And here ChatGPT just broke it down by day 1 to day 5, day 6 to day 10, day 11 to day 15. And in reality, I don't have specifically to go to search for those topics, but I can start here by asking ChatGPT to break down each of those topics and start to learn with ChatGPT. Also, you can use this method to basically learn anything, such as languages, for example. Well, I know we were supposed to cover the 5 main areas where ChatGPT can have a significant impact to boost your creativity and productivity. But I have a small bonus for you guys, and because you certainly deserve it. And this is coding. And this time, I'm not talking about asking ChatGPT to teach us how to code, but I'm talking about asking ChatGPT to code for us directly. I will ask him to code me, let's say, write a code for a website template using HTML and CSS for a food supplement online shop, include images. Well, basically, without having any prior experience in HTML or CSS, I can have a template of the website I want. ChatGPT is literally coding for me. Well, you're certainly ready to get your creativity and productivity boosted with that. But keep in mind that the most important when it comes to using ChatGPT, it's actually to design a good prompt in order to get the good results. And for this, don't worry, I got your back. I created a specific video where I explain how you can master ChatGPT prompting, explaining all the different techniques that will allow you to get the best results with ChatGPT. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if it's the case, don't forget to subscribe and to hit the like button, and see you in the next one. Ciao.